Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To score. Lily and Sarah are friends. They're having a conversation about shopping experiences. Hey, Sarah, did you have a chance to go shopping this weekend? I did. I found this amazing dress on sale at my favorite store. It was such a steal. Nice. I wish I could find a deal like that. I've been eyeing a pair of shoes for weeks, but they never seem to go on sale. Sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and pay full price if it's something you really love. Yeah, you're right, but it's always a good feeling when you score a great deal. Let's keep our eyes peeled for any other great deals that might come our way. Quiz time. What does to score mean? To win points in a game? To get a good discount? To go shopping? To buy something? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To get a good discount. Verb details. We often score a bargain, score a discount, score a good deal. Remember, this is in the context of shopping. In the context of sports, score means to win points in a game, like score a goal in soccer. Have you ever scored a good deal while shopping? What did you buy? Share your answer in the comments. Examples. I scored a new pair of shoes on sale. She scored concert tickets at the last minute. My friend scored a deal on a new TV during the Black Friday sales. Lily was browsing through the clearance section and scored a cute dress for a fraction of the original price. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. A steal. Something bought at a very good discount. I've been eyeing something. I've been watching something. Keep your eyes peeled. Keep your eyes open. To browse. To shop without buying. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.